Disciplined and relentless. Watch as the squad hit the ground, transitioning from armored protection to coordinated assault. The team leader contact the tactical command post for the team remains neutral and impartial. And now they move the casualty to the aid station.
Disiplina, koordinasyon, estratehiya, misyon ken puso, bit-bit ti maysa a soldado, tunggal adda operasyon. Daytoy tinpakita ti combat unit ti 501st Infantry Valiant Brigade iti nayuswat a capability demonstration. Highlight ti panangrambak ti may katalupulo ket 8 nga anibersaryo ti 501st Infantry Valiant Brigade ang nakabase iti probinsya.
We are reminded that the mission does not end with victory. The greater challenge is to sustain the peace that we have achieved. And as we already know, and has been announced since last year, the efforts, the focus now of the armed forces of the Philippines is shifting toward external security operations. This is now the next most important mission of the armed forces of the Philippines, to face foreign aggressions, while at the same time sustaining the peace that we have gained here in the communities.
Iti pakasaritaan, April 16, 1988, nabukel ti 501st Infantry Valiant Brigade sa J. Camp Melchor de la Cruz, Gamo, Isabela, abuklen ti 24 a personel. Taon 2014, napalawa pay daytoy ken adda napataod iti Rehiyon Cordillera, pakairamanan ti probinsya nga Abra. Kang runaan at trabaho ti 501st Infantry, apak merende iti communist group, iti Ilocos ken Cordillera, ken mamentenar ti seguridad ken kinakapya ti maysa a lugar.
Ito ay katotohanan. Ito ay bunga ng ating sama-samang pagsisikap. Through intelligence-driven operations, relentless combat efforts, and whole-of-nation collaboration, we have contributed to the decisive defeat of the communist terrorist groups here in Northern Luzon. We have neutralized key leaders. We have dismantled their structures. We have reduced them to a non-viable state. But more importantly, we have helped restore peace to our communities.
Numan pa'y naideklaran nga insurgency-free ti probinsya, inpetengda nga agtultuloy ti presensya ti militar. Ti aktibidad ket rambak ken sarming, ti 30 ket 8 ataw a sakripisyo, commitment, dedikasyon ken integridad nga agturong iti natalged ken nakapya nga ili. Mamatida at tipudno a balayki ket saan laing amang pakmer iti makatigid a grupo. Ngem ket di iti panangisubli ti talna iti ili. Napagyamanan kinabigbig ti gobyerno probinsyal, sumagmamano a local executives ken national agencies, gapo ti kontribusyon ken suportada iti 501st Infantry Brigade. Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.